Every year there's a report by Indus Valley that comes out which is about the Indian economy. It's a very detailed report which I highly suggest that you read, but here are some of my top learnings. India is a paradox. Our real GDP is 2x that of the world, but in terms of purchasing power parity, we are ranked 149. 54% of our GDP comes from service. Agriculture is only 15% of the GDP, but it is 46% of the employment. This really makes you think about the concept of disguised unemployment. Only 9% of the Indian workforce have regular salaried jobs which have basically got contracts with them. Now, China, interestingly, lost a lot of manufacturing market share. But rather than India gaining for it, 60% of that actually went to Vietnam. This was really surprising for me. UPI processed 172 billion transactions in 2024, and the number of ATMs in India has actually gone down in 24 versus 23. India 1 is essentially the consuming class. So India has 305 million households, out of which India 1, which is the consuming class, is about 30 million. Now these 30 million, which are barely 10% of the consuming household, they make up 67% of the discretionary spends. Quick commerce is India's fastest growing industry segment. We are going from kiranas to quick commerce. We've kind of skipped the entire stage of modern trade. Now this report, I genuinely suggest you read it. It's very interesting, very insightful, and I hope some of these insights were useful for you.